Kua roa nei a Rohm Dixon e tatari ana mo tēnei rā. Kia whawhi I tōna Tohu Paetahi no Te Whare Wānaka o Waitaha.
So it's been a lot of work, 3 years that have gone into this tohu, and honestly it went really fast. I'm really happy to be here today for Ike Tangaroa, the Māori grad, and to have my beautiful mum with me as well.
No te wiki nei neke atu I te toru mano o ngā tāngata I whakawhiti I te ātāmira ki te whiwhi I a rātou tohu, mai te Tohu Paetahi tai noa ki te tohu kairangi. Ko Rohm Dixon tērā I whai wāhi mai ki te whiwhi I tōna tohu tau hoko hoko, nā runga I tōna tirohanga ki ngā āhuatanga o te ahumoni I wainga nui I a Ngāi Māori me Ngāi Pasifika.
A lot of my peers were Māori and Pacific communities were, I guess, leaving high school with these really, really cool jobs, but just not having the basic financial knowledge to know how to save, know how to invest. All these really valuable, I guess, life skills and tools that really help you succeed in life in terms of putia. And yeah, I've always questioned, why is this not a subject that's taught at school? Because there's such a gap in different communities.
Rohm Dixon.
Ko whai tūranga ia ki te wāhi o PricewaterhouseCoopers, tētahi o ngā wāhi mahi kaute huri noa I te ao. Heoi, ko whiua te mahi ki te taha, kia whaia I tōna reo mo te kotahi tau.
I approached them and said, oh hey, I'm really keen to do Te Tohu Paetahi next year, and honestly, yeah, they supported me the whole way. It's been real cool. I guess they just knew it's something that I need and that I want in my kite. I guess it will help them out a lot as well, as someone who's bilingual in that space.
Aha kua tōna whakapapangai Tahu I tipu ake a Dixon ki rotorua. Ko tāna, nā te whai wāhi ki tēnei o ngā whare Wānaka, ko tūhono anō ia ki tōna iwi.
Christchurch was always the destination for me. Because I grew up, I was born and raised in Rotorua, but I always knew that my papa was from down here. I guess before I moved down south, I really didn't have too much contact with Ngāi Tahu. In the last 3 years alone, I've been to 12 of the 18 marae, so I think that's pretty cool. And it's been a great connection for the whānau as well.
Ka timata tōna arareo Māori ki roto o Tauranga Moana, a ka timata tōna mahi hou ki PricewaterhouseCoopers, ara ko PwC, hei tērā tau. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.